Most creators spend hours creating the content that nobody sees. The problem isn't the effort. The problem is that they're starting with a blank page instead of starting with data. In today's video, I'm going to show you my own content system that I use to create 30 days of viral content very quickly using just a few tools. By the way, this is only episode 1 of the 5 episodes in the series How to Create Content So Fast It Feels Unfair. This series was sponsored and made possible by Adobe. Thank you very much, Adobe Express, for sponsoring this video. So first step in creating viral content is finding viral content that already works. Now there's tons of ways to do it, but they all take a lot of time because not every content piece that you see on social media is actually viral quality content piece. That's why I've built my own tool called ViralityAI. You can try it for free at ViralityAI.net. You enter your keywords and in a few seconds it finds the best content for those keywords. Those keywords are usually your niche. So for example, you can choose from Instagram, TikTok and YouTube. I personally like using TikTok because from Instagram, TikTok and YouTube, TikTok gets all the trends earliest. So if you find some really good content there, using it on Instagram and YouTube will only make it perform even better. So let's say I search AI tools, I search here, and it's gonna find a bunch of amazing content very fast. Now, what we also built into ViralityAI is that you can sort by virality score. Virality score is a metric that we built that determines not only if the post got a lot of likes, a lot of views, but it looks also at how fast they get views, how many likes does it have compared to usual creators' posts, and a bunch more data to give you an accurate score on how likely is this content to perform for you specifically. So sort by virality score and then try to pick the content piece that you think you can recreate very quickly that has high virality score. So I searched a bit and I found this content piece which I like, has 75 virality score. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna download it now. Then I'm gonna go to Gemini and I'm gonna upload that video and I'm gonna paste this prompt. Here you can see it on the screen. You can also drop it in the description of the video. Then I'm gonna fill it out. It's gonna generate a few lists. I'm gonna take this and I'm gonna create it into a post now. We are gonna go to Adobe Express and we are gonna start a new design. For this example, I'm just gonna start an Instagram portrait post. Then what I like to do, especially when the account is new, I go to brands and then I set up my brand. So I like to pick colors. For example, one of my main colors is color purple. We're gonna save this and then I also use a lot of black. And we're gonna add these colors. Now, of course, like if you have preferred fonts, for example, I like using pop-ins. Everything that we create from now on is gonna be very easily branded. So yeah, I don't like having purple background, so let's go black. Now it's about creating the post that we got here in the Gemini. So even though it gave me slides, you can do this in one post. Now, believe it or not, with one post, you can actually build 3 different posts. And I'm gonna show you now. We are gonna do this. Stop struggling with these 7 digital tasks. We're gonna paste this. Then we make sure this is actually branded. For example, we can accentuate it like this. Now we have the headline. Then the next thing is to create a list. Same thing, body text. It's important everything is aligned properly because it will make it easily readable. Then I also like to bold out these important words. And then a very important part is having some kind of call to action. We can maybe just write, say this and try them for free. Call to action is important because it will get you some additional engagement. The more engagement you have, the higher the chances of it going viral. Now, of course, you can make this prettier. You can add some elements. You can add some icons if you want, but basically this is the idea and this is what our audience is there for, to see value. And the beautiful thing is all of this value that we have here is based on the value provided in the original viral post. So the benefit is this post has high probability of performing well for you. Now we have the post 1. With Adobe Express, we can quickly create 2 additional posts from this first post. One way is to recreate this in a video format. So it can be in a mobile video format like this, and boom, it's gonna create it in that format. So as you can see, now we have 2 posts. One is in a post format, like a static post, and this is a reel format. Now to make it more engaging, you're gonna go to Add Elements and then Media, and then we can find some engaging video. It can be something like this. Send it to the back, and then in order to make everything readable, I like to go to opacity, and then we can lower this. And then what happens is when you play this video, something is gonna be happening in the background while the post plays. These abstract elements are good, but honestly, something more grounded usually performs better. So for example, it can be like this. The point is, you can make it however you want it to be. You can play around with it. I recommend always keeping this under 5 seconds, because the longer they read, the video is gonna play on the loop and it's gonna get you more watch time, which is gonna again increase the chances of going viral. Then we can go back to pages. So we have the static post, we now have the video post, and then we can do another video post, but this one can be static video post for a story. For example, I can go again here, media, but this time we are gonna look for photos, and we can add, a photo that will match well, or even better, we can generate the image. Cool, and it generates something like this, definitely usable. It can also be this is actually better. And then we can again send it to the back, we can enlarge it a little bit, and we can lower the opacity. And now you have 3 different posts from one of this. And this is basically how I sustain posting on social media, on 8 different social media 3 times per day. It's impossible to stay, creative that much, to have original ideas. You need to find what works and then strategically repurpose it, for example, like this. And we're gonna download everything, all pages. It's gonna keep the format of whatever is the best. Now, as you can see, we have 3 different content pieces that we can easily use for our social media. The whole point of this is, in just a few minutes, I was able to create 3 posts. Now what you need to do is to find a bunch of different viral posts using ViralityAI, use the Gemini prompt to extract the value, and then create simple posts like this. Lists, memes, text overlays, with captions, with long captions, like whatever is easy to create, do it. You can also record yourself, because Gemini will give you that option and it will write a script for that. But the point is, I like to keep it simple, because the simpler it is for you to produce a bunch of content, the faster you will grow, and the higher the chances that you will go viral consistently, because you will test out a bunch of content. So the point is, go now, find a bunch of viral content, use this prompt to extract the value, and create a few posts like this in Gemini. Keep all 3, we'll need them later on. So if you are not able to do it right now, make sure to save this video, because we'll need all of these all towards the episode 5 to make it effective. In the next episode, I'm going to take one of these posts and I'm going to show you how you can turn one post into 5 different posts for 5 different platforms and start posting them immediately. And if you want free access to ViralityAI, Gemini prompt, and everything I used in this video, make sure to check the description, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers.